Hello everybody. Today we're going to divide multiples of 10 and 100. Imagine that you have 1,000 pieces of candy and you want to share it between you and 4 other friends. So that's 5 of you. We would take 1,000 and divide it by 5. Now, you know that 10 divided by 5 equals 2. And if we think of 100 divided by 5, that's really 10 tens divided by 5, which equals 2 tens, or 20. So 100 divided by 5 equals 20. Now, if we think 1,000 divided by 5, that equals 100 tens divided by 5, which equals 20 tens, or 200. So 1,000 divided by 5 equals 200. So let's look at a few other problems. So if I have 72 divided by 8, you know that equals 9. So that means 720 divided by 8 would be 72 tens, which would be 90. 9 tens. So 9 tens times 8 equals 720. Or 90 times 8 equals 720. If we have 7,200 and we divide that by 8, it's going to equal 900. Because 900 times 8 equals 7,200. And if you have 72,200 divided by 8, the answer is going to be 9,000. Let's try one more set. So if we have 42 divided by 6, that equals 8. So that means 420 divided by 6 is like 42 tens divided by 6 equals 80. 4,200 divided by 6 would equal 800, because 800 times 6 is 4,200, and 42,000 divided by 6 would equal 8,000, because 8,000 times 6 is 42,000. Now it's your turn to try some. Good luck.